Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to continue on the floor with the extra bit of welding that I found last time. So I've cut out the strengthener piece and made a piece to go in there. I'll drill the actual, them holes are just for plug welding. I will drill the actual holes once it's all welded up, because I'm going to remove the subframe anyway. But yeah, I welded in a couple of little patches there because it was just starting to go through, so I cut it out bigger and welded that up. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, maybe just about. Yeah, so that piece has got to go in, but I need to make a piece for the floor as well, so I'm going to make that first and give it all a clean up. So I put a load of rust remedy over it, but I want to scuff that off and put a load of weld through primer on it. So we do that, and yeah, while I've been waiting for the time to tick on a bit, because it's still quite early over here, I'll just pop the drive shafts out. I pulled the engine out, and you can probably see why I pulled it out now. It is absolutely minging. It's just easier just to clean it with it out. They'll give it a clean up and paint up, but it actually runs really good, so we won't be getting too carried away on it. Plus we can clean the engine bay, put all new mounts on it, repair this bracket, this lower engine steady, that's broken. As always, they always break normally because the top one goes loose and then it rattles around and breaks the bottom one. I didn't think it was, but it is. That's easy enough to fix anyway. Obviously we've got a bit of repairs on the inner wings before we put the wings on, but yeah, well, I need to concentrate on all of that today. So we'll get that floor done and hopefully get this pillar done, but we'll see how we get on. But first we're going to throw that engine in the other garage and we'll come back to that later. Right, go. Right, so that's all cleaned up now. Got all the weld through primer on it. I've got that piece in place, and then I've made this piece up, which will sit because that goes over the top. So that'll go in there afterwards. And that's all got weld through primer, plug weld and seam weld around to the floor. So yeah, that did escalate a bit, but what was in there had split, was rusting between the seams and was starting to split along the middle there, so I couldn't leave it, so we just had to continue. Bit unfortunate, never mind. Alright, I might set the camera up and get that bit plug welded in and see if I can find a drill one of the holes through. I don't think I'll be able to get both of them at this stage, but yeah, at least get one of the subframe bolts back in. Yeah, cool, brilliant. that plugged on there. So yeah, I'll get the other bit, I'll get that linished off, bit more weld through primer on that where that other piece overlaps, and then I'll get that welded in too. Right, so I'm not sure what the last bit I'll film was, but yeah, I've done loads since then. So I've welded all of that piece in there. It ain't the prettiest, really. I should have put another floor pan in this, but I'm not going to now. But yeah, so I've welded all that in, welded a piece in down there. The end of the inner seal's welded to the back of the flitch panel. The flitch panel's all plugged and welded in and everything, same as the other side, just put in what I needed. And I've just put this piece in here as well, although I did mess it up because I had to put another piece in there because I cut it too small. So we all make mistakes, money an amateur. But yeah, I still need to clean this up better, but yeah, it was all rotten all the way right around there, so but it crept up further than what I thought. But yeah, so that's good. So that's where we are now. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going next. I suppose we're putting the front back on soon, but I think I'm getting low on gas again already. But I have done a lot of welding, so I can't really complain too much. But it hasn't run out yet. Right, so if you made it this far, well done, and thanks for watching, and hit that like button and make a comment, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Right, cheers.